So in this tutorial we are going to mesh the airfoil case again, but this time with the triangulator instead of the hex block mesher. So if you go in CFD treated mesher, you can select the shape you want to mesh and then right click on geometry, import selected shape from the viewer, and then I can hide this object tree. Now if I go to mesh, I will see under general settings the global min size and the global max size, and I know that my chord length of the airfoil is 1000, so I will have like, I don't know, like 5 as the gap for the min size. And if I would like just mesh like this, let me just adjust the total depth, run the mesher. This is the triangulated mesh. Okay, so this section is under resolved obviously, so I can right click on mesh and I have here various options. And for the 2D case, the face would mesh because I have one face, it would mesh the whole domain with one size. So I will just first show the point sizing. So I did select the leading edge from point, so I will just hit add, and then I need sizing. Let's take 20, and as for the core distance, this is a radius that will be used as sphere of influence. Like when I had like 200, it will create a radius of 200, and it will mesh everything there with size 20. And the influence distance should be larger, like 1000, and this will tell how the grading with a background mesh shall be in what kind of distance. Okay, now if I had this, and you would see automatically that around 200 it must be like this area, and the grading will then take the larger distance. If I zoom out, you will obviously see where it is refined. And I can also take this trailing edge point, and then I can also highlight. You will see in red. Maybe if I zoom out, you will see better. So hit mesh again, and you will see again it is respected. So I can just uncheck and run, and you will have the result from the previous mesh. So I can also select both edges, hit edge sizing, and I can do the same. Okay, like I will like have 20 here, and then around I don't know, 1000, and grading merging with the background mesh like from 1000 to 3000. And if I mesh, obviously you can see how that will influence. Okay, now maybe you want to activate this also with like one finer, but this time I only want the front point. So I will select this point, and I will hit the minus button, so it will discard this point. Okay, so when I highlight, I have only this one. So let us run the mesh again, and so you see that the front section has a better resolution, and around this section we have lower resolution, and again it will fade away and finally merge with this section. So There is one. I have now nearly 80k. We can use a smoother. It will use the Laplacian smoother. You need to be careful that you don't not overstretch everything. So after meshing, we need to take care that the mesh is still valid. Now, if I go to polyhedral, if I check that, you will see when I mesh that the mesh will turn into a polyhedral mesh. So zoom out, and that will drop the size of the mesh to 40,000, and I think before I had like 80 or something. Yeah. So once again, regarding patching, I showed you in the airfoil X-block tutorial already that we can change from here the thickness. I will keep it in this range. As for the patching, like I will select the outer boundary like this and right click add patch, and that will be free stream, and I can highlight to check it's correct, and I will select these both and then add patch, and that's gonna be renamed airfoil. Foil. Don't forget to select, and that will be wall. So we can now export. So scale and copy the project path. Yeah. So exporting is done. Don't forget to renumber the mesh. Check mesh. Everything's fine. And we can even visualize the mesh. So it's gonna be like this. And let's check patches, airfoil, back. The back and front will be created automatically. So this is front and free stream. So this is the final mesh once again. So thanks for watching, and see you in another tutorial.